Episode 2. A sign between me and all flesh, not just Israel. The eternal Sabbath, not just for Jews, but for all mankind. If the Sabbath was only for Israel, then why did God open his arms to foreigners and strangers and bless them when they kept it? Let's destroy the lie that Gentiles are excluded from the Sabbath by going straight to Isaiah 56, 2-7. One of the most powerful ignored passages in the Bible. Blessed is the man that doeth this, that keepeth the Sabbath from polluting it. Also the sons of the stranger, that join themselves to the Lord. Every one that keepeth the Sabbath, even them will I bring to my holy mountain, and make them joyful in my house of prayer. Isaiah 56, 6-7. Did you catch that? Sons of the stranger means Gentiles, foreigners, outsiders, those not born of Israel. And what does God say? Everyone that keeps the Sabbath, even them will I bring into my house. Even them, not only Israel, not Jews alone, but everyone, even the Gentiles who choose to join themselves to the Lord. The Sabbath was always meant to be a sign between God and all flesh who would worship him. Those who keep it reveal that they have entered into covenant loyalty with the Creator, not with Moses, but with God himself. Isaiah 56 utterly destroys the idea that the Sabbath is a Jewish relic. God never called it Israel's Sabbath, he called it my holy day. If thou turn away thy foot from the Sabbath, and call the Sabbath a delight, then shalt thou delight thyself in the Lord. Isaiah 58, 13-14. So why would anyone, Gentile or Jew, refuse such a blessing? Jesus didn't die to erase the Sabbath. He died to break the wall between Jew and Gentile. Ephesians 2:14, creating one body, spiritual Israel, made up of all who obey him. If ye be Christ's, then are ye Abraham's seed. Galatians 3:29. If you belong to Christ, you are counted as Israel, and if you are part of Israel, you are under the same covenant and same sign, God's Sabbath. It was never about bloodline. It was about faith and obedience. Even in the Old Testament, God made provisions for strangers to enter the covenant. In Exodus chapter 12:49, he declared, "One law shall be to him that is homeborn, and unto the stranger that sojourneth among you." One law, one standard, one sign. So, if the Sabbath was meant only for the Jews, why does God promise to bless all nations that keep it? Why does he say their sacrifices and offerings will be accepted and he will bring them into his house? Because the Sabbath is not Jewish property, it's a divine invitation for all humanity. Gentile pastors, listen closely. Sunday is not God's sign. It's not found in Isaiah 56. It's not called holy. It's not a covenant. But the seventh-day Sabbath is, and rejecting it is rejecting God's call to all flesh. You say you follow Jesus, then follow the same day he kept. Follow the same law he obeyed. Follow the God who says to Gentiles and Jews alike, "Blessed is the man who keeps my Sabbath."